Hello students, welcome to Intuition Education. Today I am here with you to show you one question on calculus. Let's see the question. So the question is, let fx equals 24 minus 2x squared for x belongs to a real number. The following diagram shows part of the graph of f and the rectangle OPQR, where R is on the positive x-axis, P is on the y-axis, Q is on the graph of f. Find the coordinate of the point R, xy, that gives the maximum area of OPQR. So let's see how can we do this question easily. So we have this figure with us. This is my x-axis. This is my y-axis. I have this. So what is fx? F of x equals 24 minus 2x squared. Now what's given? This is a rectangle. OPQR is a rectangle, and we are trying to maximize the area of the rectangle, right? And we need to find the value of, so find the coordinate of the point R. So what I do, I'll take the length of OR to be x, and I'll take the length of QR to be y. So if OR is x and QR is y, and since the point Q lies on the curve y equals fx, so I can write y equals 24 minus 2x squared. Okay. And then what's the area of this rectangle? The area of the rectangle OPQR is nothing but x times y, because OP is the length and QR is the width. So if you do x times y, you get the area of this rectangle. So now what can I do? You can just replace y with 24 minus 2x squared. So what do I write? X times 24 minus 2x squared. I just distribute the x over here. So I get 24x minus 2x cubed. Okay. So this is the function. So I call it a function, say area function, a of x. So what are we doing here? We are trying to maximize ax. Maximize the function ax. Okay. So to maximize the function, what we need to do, we need to find the derivative of ax, right? So we are finding a prime of x, so that would be 24 minus the derivative of 2x cubed, which is 2 times 3x squared, which is 24 minus 6x squared. Now we know that if we equate the derivative function with 0, we get the stationary points, right? So I do a prime of x equals to 0. That gives me 24 minus 6x squared equals 0, which is 24 minus 6x squared equals 0 means it would be 6x squared equals 24, which is x squared equals 4, and that gives me x equals plus or minus 2. Now which value of x should I take? They have given that in the question R lies on the positive side of the x-axis. So the value of x can't be negative, so we should take x equals 2. So what is the coordinate of the point R? The R was x comma y. I got x equals 2, and since the point lies on the y-axis, x-axis, so it would be 2 comma 0. So the point which we are looking for is R 2 comma 0. Hope you have understood and done this question. So to get more such videos, like the YouTube channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.